Welcome back to Desk Tech Studio. In the previous video, my friends, we made our desktop look super cool and awesome. We customized the clock and the look, added music widgets, placed widgets on the main screen, and set widgets on the side panel. It looked so superb. We also made our taskbar and start menu look like liquid glass. My friends, today we will add a music widget bar on the taskbar. It looks super nice and gives a very cool, clean taskbar look. My friends, please support us. We work hard for you. Now look at the main desktop screen first. Go to the taskbar settings and open it. When you open it, you will see widgets. Simply remove the widgets from the taskbar. Now, my friends, go to the browser and download Windhawk. I have provided the link in the description. Simply install it on your PC. When you install Windhawk, simply open it. Now our main task starts, my friends. Go to Explorer and search for music. Then you will see the taskbar music widget. Simply open it and install it on your PC. Now look at the taskbar. It looks so nice and cool. Now go back and open Settings. You will see some options like panel height, panel width, and more. Simply follow my steps. Now the music widget is done. Go to the home screen and search for Taskbar Auto Hide when maximized. Simply open it and install it on your PC. Now when we maximize any screen, the taskbar will automatically hide. And now look, our taskbar is ready, my friends. It looks so nice and super. Look at the desktop, everything looks good. Please also watch my previous video. Please like and subscribe to the video. See you in the next video.